Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Armenian Shish Kebab. It's similar to my Persian lamb changer recipe, but Armenian style. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'll be making this recipe based on 2 kilos. So just see, I've got 2 kilos of diced lamb shoulder. I've gotten this from the butcher diced already. You don't want it too fatty, just a little fatty as we are going to grill it. So just get your butcher to do that. So we get started on our marinade. So just grab yourselves a small bowl. And to the bowl we're going to be adding in 2 diced onions. About a tablespoon of oregano, that's dry oregano. 1 tablespoon of salt. About half a tablespoon of black pepper. One big tablespoon of tomato paste. 1 big tablespoon of crushed garlic. Just about half a handful of chopped parsley. About half a cup of vegetable oil. And we're going to add about half a cup of pomegranate juice. I'm just using this one here that I purchased from the store. Most stores will have them. So about half a cup. About a tablespoon of red paprika. I'm using sweet paprika. About 2 tablespoons of dry white wine. I'm using a chardonnay as that's the driest for me. And just about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Now we want to mix this well together. It has to be well combined. Okay, so once you got it well combined, we'll bring our meat back. Now we want to pour this marinade all over our meat. Now we have to get this very well combined, just so all the meat's evenly covered. Okay, once it's well covered, just flatten it down. And we're just going to wrap this and put it into the fridge. Okay, so we want to leave that in the fridge for about 4 hours, but I prefer overnight, just so we get it well marinated. So we'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you how to cook it. Okay guys, so I've just brought our meat back out. As you can see, it's well marinated, well covered. So we're going to skewer them. Now, this is all dependent on how you're going to cook it. I'm going to cook this on a long mangal, which is like a long open fire. So I'm going to be using long metal skewers like this. Now, if you can't do this, you can just use wooden skewers, and you can actually put these in a fry pan or into the oven. Completely up to you. Now, if you are doing it with my method, try and get all the pieces that are the same size on the same skewer. This way it will be cooked evenly. Because if you have big and small pieces, either they're going to be well done or raw. So just like that. So I'm just going to cook the whole batch. Okay guys, so this is my mangal. Basically it's a long grill and it has cast iron rods on it, so it keeps all the heat in. A traditional manga, like in a Persian one for example, uses charcoal, but this uses gas as its commercial. So I've got this on full blast now, so I'm just going to go ahead and put all our skewers on. Just like that. So as you can see, it's flaring up straight away, so that's how hot it is. So you want to prevent it from burning, so you got to keep flipping it like that. Generally, every 30 seconds to 1 minute, I'll flip them. So you see how good it looks now? So depending on how you want to cook, I prefer my meat medium, so I won't leave this for longer than another minute. An easiest way to check is I'll grab the skewers with the smaller pieces of meat and just squeeze it. If your finger doesn't go all the way through, then you're looking at about medium. If it goes all the way through, it's still a bit rare, so it's up to you. You can take it off or leave it. So that's fine. It's fine. Also keep in mind, when you do take it off the grill, the meat is still very hot, so it may still be cooking. So it doesn't have to be 100% here. So we'll just take it off, let it rest here on the cold side, and then we can serve it. Just leaves these two. Okay, so as for taking it off the skewers, the easiest way is, if you're going to serve it now, grab a piece of Lebanese bread, put it on the bottom of a plate or a tray, grab the skewer, put it on top, use another piece of Lebanese bread to pull it off like that. But since I'm not serving it now, I'm just going to use a rubber glove. The top part, push it down a bit, and then from the bottom, just push it and it'll come off like that. It's very important to push this top part down. If you don't, it might be stuck to the skewer and they'll just all break off. Now the meat is very hot, but because I do this every day, my hands are used to it. Okay, so that's how we do it. I hope you liked that, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions, suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll try to get back to you. I'll see you all next time.